Unboxing of the Google Pixel 4a. This one is the 5G version. Love that. Very nice. Now shout out to Google for sending this over. Let's dive right in. On this side is Google. On the bottom is just some information. Check out that decal right there. That's pretty cool. 5G, Google right there, and then hashtag Team Pixel. Nice. Now I don't think I need a knife for this, as there's some tabs here that you can just do that, and then you can open the box. Okay, get rid of that. And then do the same thing on this side. Get rid of that. And then, whoops. Woo! Love that. Check that out. We'll take this tab. I dig it. What's in the box? Pamphlets here. We'll just flick that to the side. Actually, no. What am I doing? SIM ejector tool. That's important. There you go. Okay, what's in here? Here you go. Meet your new Pixel. Some instructions here. Set up your new Pixel. And then on the other side, have a look at that. Now we'll throw it to the side. And this is some safety information, etc. And the aforementioned tool. All right, now in the box you get your charging brick. Nice to see that they still include the charging brick here. Very nice. And then your USB cable, Type-C to Type-C. And then your little adapter here to transfer stuff. Put that to the side. And then here's the device itself. Whoa. I'm digging this one. Ah, so satisfying. Nice matte black finish here. Shouldn't have a problem with fingerprints. And then this one has like a, I don't know if you can pick this up on camera, has a slight tinge of a lavender. We'll turn the device on and we'll have a look. Google. So I believe this one is powered by the Snapdragon 765G. So that's nice. 6.2-inch display. You have your punch-out camera there on the left side. Fingerprint scanner in the back. You do have two cameras back here, wide and ultra wide. Got your flash. On the bottom, USB Type-C. You got your speakers. And then over here is the SIM tray. On this side, aforementioned power button, volume rocker. And on top, you do have a headphone jack. Nice to see in 2020, 6.2-inch display. I'd have to say, this is a good size for a phone. All right, here we go. Hi there. We'll go ahead and start this up and then connect to mobile network. I don't have that right now, just to Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna skip that for now. Here we go, connect to Wi-Fi. That's my Wi-Fi. Type in my password. Here we go. Getting your phone ready. Copy apps and data. I'm not gonna copy anything. I wanna start fresh with this phone. Checking info, Google sign in. I'm gonna skip that for now. I just wanna get into the phone, skip. I'll do that later. Skip everything. Google services. I'm gonna disable this for now. I accept that also. We're gonna skip the screen lock for now. Skip. But then I do wanna set up the fingerprint scanner. I don't know, between this type of fingerprint scanner and the on-display fingerprint scanner, I don't know, I may be biased towards this. This just always works, right? But anyway, I'm gonna uncheck this. Click OK. Save battery with dark theme. You know what? We're gonna go light for this one. I'll go dark later, maybe. And then let's see here. There's a little tutorial. Next, next, next. Ask your Google Assistant, next. All set. Swipe up to get started. And we are in. Let's go ahead and go to settings. I want to check out how much storage we have right out of the box. Storage. And out of the box, this is a 128 gig model. 14.54 gigs are used up, about 11% used, so that's how much free space you have. And I do want to check out the fingerprint scanner also, so let's just go ahead and search for that. Pixel imprint, go ahead and choose that. Pixel imprint, and then pixel imprint plus pattern, go ahead and do that. Just do one of these, and then do that again. Let's go next, and then let's go ahead and do it. Like I said, I kind of like these rear mounted fingerprint scanners. I don't know, just something about it that, I mean, look at this, it just works, right? These on-display ones or underneath the display, they're kind of finicky, sometimes they don't work, but this works pretty much 100% of the time. I dig it. Go ahead and test it out, and boom, that's what I'm talking about. I mean, it just works, right? Most of the time, or pretty much 99% of the time. love it. Let's go ahead and test out the camera, which is one of the main reasons why you buy a Pixel, is for its camera. Go ahead and deny the location for now. And let's go ahead and just start taking pictures of random stuff. What I got in front of me. I got this in front of me. Just take a picture of that. Let's take more pics. Let's go. Alright, this is a real quick video from the Pixel 4a 5G. This is recording in 4K 30 frames. So let me know the quality. Now it's kind of late afternoon now, so I am in the shadows, but it's still daylight. So take a look at these plants right here. Let me know the quality. I'm gonna get in here. Some plants here, etc. Here's sirens in the background, so let me know how that sounds. Here's the Tesla in the back. Now, as you can see, there's the daylight right there. So let me know how this looks. Half in shadow and half in daylight. So how does that look? Let me know in the comments. Real quick video sample here. So I'm gonna see we're in the daylight now. So how does that look? So I'm gonna get in here. Try to zoom in this. Oh wow, look at that. Now let me know how that looks on YouTube, but on the viewfinder, check out that bokeh. Wow, that looks amazing on the phone. That's nice, man. All right, this is just handheld, no gimbal. I'm gonna get in here, check out this flower. Check this out. Cool. All right, so let me know how this looks like in the comments below. Let's get back into it. And I have to say, using this camera, I like how the phone tells you how much of an angle you have the phone tilted. As you can see here, 19 degrees, 13 degrees, whatever. And the phone actually vibrates a little bit when you have it at 0. Love that feature. All right, let's go ahead and test out the speakers. So we'll go to YouTube for that real quick. And then let's search for my background music. I gotta say that sounds pretty good. Put it next to the mic. This phone does have stereo speakers, so I do love that. Gotta say that sounds pretty good. And then let's go ahead and do a size comparison. This is the 4A non-5G. So have a look. 5G variant, much bigger phone. I think this is like a 5.8 display. This is 6.2. But have a look, and then we'll flip the phones over. Actually, do it this way first. Take a look at the power button. Now, I don't know if you can pick this up on camera. This one has a slight tinge of green. This one has a slight tinge of like a lavender or pink or something like that. But let me get in here, take a look at the difference right there. Go ahead and turn on the display. Have a comparison right there. And then let's see, we do have the Pixel 5 right here. So we'll compare it to the 4a 5G. And then the Pixel 4 from last year. Compare this. Pixel 4, the bigger phone between the two. Cool. So let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with the Pixel 4a 5G. Speed tests, camera tests, etc. versus these other Pixels, Samsung Galaxy S20, FE, OnePlus 8T, iPhone 12 mini, etc. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.